Good viewers, welcome back to our math class. In this tutorial, we are given a right angle triangle with an hypotenuse side of x cubed, and this side you can consider this one as our opposite side, and this as our adjacent side. So we know that by making use of the Pythagorean theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus the adjacent square. So the hypotenuse side then squared is equal to the opposite side. We consider opposite side as what? A square or square, then plus the adjacent side, which we consider to be what? X, and we square it. So in that case, by making use of the law of indices, whereby wherever you have a raised to the power of n power m, this same thing as what? A to the power of n times m. So in this case over here, we are going to have x, then 3 multiplied by 2, this same thing as 6, is equal to x to the power of 4 plus x squared. So this can be written as x to the power of 6 minus x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 2 equal to 0. So let's move on. Power 6 minus x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 2 equal to 0. So we can factor out x to the power of 2. So we have x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 2 minus 1 equals 0. The reason is that x squared is common among this part we have above. So x to the power of 2 is equal to 0. This implies that our x is equal to the square root of 0, which is not what? Possible, because any value of x we are going to get for this right angle triangle must not less than what? 0, or must not be equal to what? 0. So therefore, we are going to reject what? This root rejected. So x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 2 minus 1 equals 0. The power of 4 minus x to the power of 2 minus 1. So let u equal to x to the power of 2. So therefore, I'm going to have this guy over here is same thing as x to the power of 2 power 2 minus x to the power of 2 minus 1 equals 0. So instead of writing x squared, since we assume that our u is same thing as x squared, I'm going to have u squared minus u minus 1 equals 0. So this is going to call for the use of quadratic formula. In that case, we are going to have our u is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So even of our u squared is same thing as 1. So which is a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and our c is equal to minus 1. So this is what we are going to have. Then after that, this is same thing as u equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 square is same thing as 1. Then minus 4 times 1 times minus 1. This is same thing as what? Plus 4 all over 2 times 1 is same thing as what? 2. So this is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 5 over 2. 1 plus root of 5 over 2 or 1 minus root of 5 over 2. So therefore, we are going to reject this guy because once we find the value of this, it's going to be less than 0. So this is what is rejected. Because from our given question, the value of x must be what? Greater than what? 0. So we're going to reject this second root. So we consider our u to be equal to what? 1 plus the root of 5 over 2. So 1 plus root of 5 all over 2. And this value is approximately to be 1.618. And we assume that we are given the let u is equal to what? X squared. So therefore, our x is same to what? The square root of u. So our x is same to the square root of 1.618. And the square root of 1.618 is same to 1.272. So this is our approximate value. So to subscribe to Rock Math class for more exciting videos.